It's morning again for African American history. Our organization, the Yocum African American History Association. We are dedicated to the restoration and preservation of the events which shaped the lives and contributions of African Americans. We are committed to researching, documenting, preserving, and disseminating information on the history of the African American community in the United States of America. Our goal: restore the integrity of information and material related to the African American experience from the era of slavery until modern times. We partner with educational institutions to present online courses, seminars, workshops, special events, and individual oral presentations. We produce the Yocum African American History Association lesson plans that are posted on the internet. Look for the lesson plans with these words: Morning Again for African American History.blogspot.com.